Hey, welcome back to 33 Hot Rod. I'm John Amber. Last video we told you that we were going to be working on the trunk latch and installing some sheet metal in the trunk. Well, the trunk latch went just fine. Joan got it put together, she got it installed in the trunk, then I started drilling holes to put the sheet metal in. Well, the last hole I drilled, it kind of going a little bit hard and something didn't feel right, but I thought I was drilling into the frame. And when I popped through, I pulled the drill out, and that's when things went all to hell. Gas started pouring out everywhere. I had drilled a hole in the gas tank. Gas was flowing into the trunk of the car, spilling out any hole it could find all over the floor of the garage. We got floor dry, we got pans, we started sopping it up. Neighbor Reggie came over. He started siphoning the gas out of the tank. It was a Chinese fire drill. So now we got a situation. We're gonna have to tear the car apart. We're gonna have to take everything out of the trunk. We're gonna have to get access to the gas tank. And we're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do. So out comes the battery in the battery box. Then we had to drill out a whole bunch of rivets, and believe me, I was very, very careful when I was drilling the rivets out. Out comes the side panels. Then out comes the back panel. And then there it is, the bonehead hole that I drilled into the fuel tank. So once we got everything torn apart and we saw how much work was going to be involved to take the gas tank out, I mean literally we had to take the body of the car off, we decided that we weren't going to weld it, we were going to use a mechanical means to get it fixed. So since this was a 1/25 or an 1/8 inch hole, which is just a little bit undersized for a number 8 thread, we decided we're going to get a fine pitch thread, fine pitch tap, and we're going to tap the hole. So first we sanded it down, got it nice clean surface. Then we tapped the hole with our number 8 fine pitch tap. Then we loaded up a screw with Loctite, which is stands up to gasoline and petroleum products. We ran that screw in there, that socket head cap screw, got it nice and tight. It purchased pretty good, so I think we got a good seal. Then we got some epoxy, a product called Pegatank. And we got it from Napa. It's supposed to be better than the JB Weld product. We mix that up, put that over the top, let it dry. Now it seemed to turn out pretty good. We got a nice hard surface. Everything seems to be adhered really well. I'm confident we have a good repair that's going to last a long, long time. Hey, we got everything buttoned up. We got fuel in the tank. We don't have any leaks. The engine's running just fine. And next video, we hope to be doing some more work on the trunk, but we heard that our tires and rims are coming in. So you might want to tune in, a little surprised to see how those look when we put them on the car. Probably take it out for a ride when we get those on. But if you're enjoying our videos, make sure you hit the like button, share us with your friends, and make sure to subscribe. Until next time, cheers.